Welcome to Color of English. I hope you all are safe and secure at your places. My good wishes are with you. Now, here we come today with a new lesson, Parts of Speech. Do you know what are parts of speech? Parts of speech are those words which are divided into different kinds or classes according to their use in the sentence. Now, basically there are 8 parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunctions and interjections. But please note that according to the modern grammars, determiners are also included in the parts of speech. Now first we are going to discuss about noun. Noun is the name of a person, place or thing. For example, Akbar was a great king. Here Akbar is the name of person. We live in London. Here London is the name of place. The rose smells sweet. Here rose is the name of thing. So Akbar, London and rose, these all are nouns in the sentence. Now next is adjective. Adjective is the word that describes the noun. For example, he is a brave boy. Here boy is the noun and brave is the word that describes the noun. So it is an adjective. There are 5 pens on the table. Here pens are the noun and 5 is the word that describes the noun. So 5 is also an adjective. Now next is pronoun. Pronoun are the words that are used instead of noun. For example, Neha is my classmate. She is an innocent girl. Here Neha is not repeated again. Instead of she is used. So she is a pronoun. He works in my office. She is my best friend. So here words like he, she, it, they, these all are pronouns that are used instead of nouns. Now next is verb. Verb is the word that expresses an action, feeling or thought and the state of being or helping verbs. For example, she is playing basketball. Here playing is an action. I admire your confidence. Here admire is a feeling or a thought. Mumbai is a metro city. Here is a helping verb or the state of being. So these 3 are verbs. Next is adverb. Adverb is the word that is used to describe a verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, my cat eats quickly. Here eats is a verb which is described by the word quickly. This dress is very beautiful. Here beautiful is an adjective which is described by the word very. He pronounced the word quite correctly. Here correctly is another adverb which is described by the word quite. So these are adverbs. Now next is preposition. Prepositions are the word that is used with the noun or pronoun to establish relation with something else. For example, cat is sleeping on the table. Here on is the preposition because it establishes relation with the cat and the table. Here cat is the noun in the sentence and table is the object or a thing. Next, the girl sat under the tree. Here under is the preposition because it established relation with the girl and the tree. He drove over the bridge. Here he is used as a pronoun and over is the preposition because it established relation with the he and the bridge. So over, under, on, these all are prepositions. Next is conjunctions. It is the word that is used to join words or sentences. For example, Sita and Geeta were playing tennis. These are two words, Sita and Geeta. So and is a conjunction which joins two words. Rahul is an engineer and Rohit is a doctor. Here and is used to join two sentences. I ran fast but missed the train. Here but is used to join two phrases. I ran fast but missed the train. So these are conjunctions. Next is interjections. It is the word that used to express our sudden feelings. For example, alas, he is dead. Hooray, we won the match. So the words which expresses our emotions are interjections. Now we are going to discuss about determiners. Determiners are the words which are used to determine the noun or to identify the things. These are placed before nouns. For example, these apples are good. Those mangoes are rotten. Arnav came to our place yesterday. So here, these, those, are, these are determiners that are used to determine the noun. Now at last we will revise what we have learned today. Parts of speech. These are the words which are divided into kinds and classes according to their use in the sentence. There are basically 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, conjunctions, interjections and prepositions. But some modern grammars also include determiners as parts of speech. Thank you.